Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the last bit of nail mail that I got from my friend Miss Becky. She sent me a whole bunch of stamping polishes and stamping plates, and so today I'm going to go through all of the CC and Sissy plates that she sent me. Now, as far as I understand, CC and Sissy are no longer in business, and it's a shame because they made some amazing products. So we're just going to hop right into it because this is going to be quite extensive. We're going to start with CC and Sissy 01, and I've worked on my camera and the lighting and the angle and everything, hoping that I could show y'all these plates really well. Now, I hate showing things that are probably not available, but in my defense, these are things that you might want to be on the lookout in a D-stash for. Y'all know I love images like that. In fact, there's probably not much on these plates that I wouldn't like. And this is CC and Sissy 02. Love the like raindrop looking one. Okay, I'm just going to stop with it because, oh, and look, there's a big one. I'm going to stop. Oh, look. But I just wanted to show these plates really as fast as I can. I don't want to spend too much time on them because there are quite a few of them. But if you spot something specific you really would like to see me do a manicure with, let me know down in the comments and I will try to make that happen. This is CC and Sissy 03. Oh, that's really cool. Really like that. And that looks like thumbprint or fingerprint. Beautiful. Like I said, it's a shame that they're out of business because they made such unique and beautiful stamping plates, and my favorite stamping plate holder came from there, and I'm just gutted that I can't find them anywhere or anything like them. And here we go with 04, another amazing plate. Love the image. Oh gosh, it's just got so much gorgeousness on it. So beautiful. Oh, I love the leaves there, the wispy leaves. Very nice. We're going to head on into 05. Again, beautiful. Oh, I love that one. Little hearts with like swirly twirlies around it. And I hope this is coming off okay. I mean, in the viewfinder, it's not too bad. Get to the middle too. You know, it's tricky because you want light so you can see the images, but the light glares off the plate. So, and here we go with 06. Oh, yes. Just so much neat stuff. You know, I look at plates and I think, oh, I want to do that. I want to do that. And there's just not enough time, my friends. Okay,